Welcome to our video. We are SK Scientific and Surgicals, manufacturer and exporter of laboratory and medical equipment under the brand Labycare. Welcome to our video. We are SK Scientific and Surgicals, manufacturer and exporter of laboratory and medical equipment under the brand Labycare. We specialize in the bulk production of hot air ovens and laboratory incubators for laboratories, hospitals, pharmaceutical industries, research institutes, universities, and quality control facilities. Our equipment is manufactured using high-quality stainless steel construction, advanced heating systems, and precision temperature control technology to ensure reliable performance, uniform temperature distribution, and long service life. SS304, SS316 stainless steel inner chamber. Powder-coated mild steel or stainless steel outer body. Digital, PID, PLC temperature controller. Uniform temperature distribution. Adjustable stainless steel shelves. High-density thermal insulation. LED temperature display. Over-temperature protection. Audio-visual alarm system, optional. Data logging and USB connectivity, optional. Available capacities 28L, 45L, 60L, 90L, 125L, 170L, 250L, 350L, 450L, 600L, 1000L and customized sizes. We have many models also for both hot air oven and incubators. Hot air oven types: digital hot air oven, forced air oven, vacuum oven, GMP oven, tray dryer oven, industrial oven. Laboratory incubator types: bacteriological incubator, BOD incubator, cooling incubator, shaking incubator, CO2 incubator, stability chamber. Thank you for watching our video. We manufacture a wide range of hot air ovens and laboratory incubators in various models and capacities, with customization available as per customer requirements. For bulk orders and inquiries, SK Scientific and Surgicals, Labycare phone +91 9996888877, +91 91386888.